Which is our continent?
Asia.
Which is our country?
India.
Which is our state?
Karnataka.
Which is our district?
Chitradurga.
Which is our taluk?
Varakere.
Which is the largest continent in the world?
Asia.
Who is the Prime Minister of India?
Narendra Modi ji.
Which is the capital city of Karnataka?
Bangalore.
Who is the father of our nation?
Mahatma Gandhi ji.
How many colors are there in our Indian flag?
3 colors. Saffron, white, green.
In the middle?
Ashoka wheel.
What is the color of Ashoka wheel?
Blue color.
How many spokes are there?
24.
Thank you.
Thank you.